Hello and welcome to today's market update from CBN Financial. I'm your AI host bringing you the latest stock market insights you need for January 21, 2026. U.S. equity markets are trading with heightened volatility today following yesterday's sharp sell-off, the worst for major indexes in months, as renewed geopolitical and tariff concerns rattled investor risk appetite. On Tuesday, the Dow Jones Industrial Average plunged roughly 1.8%, the S&P 500 slid about 2.1%, and the Nasdaq Composite dropped close to 2.4% amid fresh tariff threats from the White House aimed at European trading partners, reigniting fears of broad trade war escalation. Tech-heavy sectors bore much of the brunt, with mega-cap names like Apple and Nvidia among the hardest hit, and the CBOE Volatility Index, VIX, spiked sharply, signaling rising fear and risk aversion in markets. In early trading today, however, markets have shown pockets of stabilization and modest rebound as broader risk sentiment attempts to recover. Futures on the Dow, S&P 500, and Nasdaq have ticked higher, reflecting cautious optimism that tariff rhetoric may be cooling, and that major central bank data releases and earnings reports now take center stage for direction. Looking at the sectors driving today's moves, safe haven flows have boosted gold prices to fresh highs as investors hedge geopolitical uncertainty, while Treasury yields remain elevated, a backdrop that could continue putting pressure on rate-sensitive growth stocks. At the same time, pockets of strength are developing in select areas such as energy and commodity names as traders rotate defensively and lock in profits from the recent tech-led rally. Earnings season continues to gather steam this week, with investors parsing quarterly results and guidance from large-cap companies to gauge fundamental support below the headline volatility. When markets swing on headlines, earnings prints can provide a more grounded view of corporate health and may offer tactical opportunities for stock selection. On the international front, Asian and European markets are generally softer as trade tension headlines spill over globally, though individual names and regions vary depending on local data and geopolitical developments. Investor takeaway: stay mindful of headline risk today and the potential impact of tariff and geopolitical news on broad market sentiment. Use earnings results and fundamental catalysts for specific stocks as anchors for decision-making. Diversification and risk management remain essential in this environment. That's your market update for January 21, 2026 from CBN Financial. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll keep you informed as the trading day unfolds. Hello and welcome to today's market update from CBN Financial. I'm your AI host bringing